Hello and welcome back to the Watch Kaki channel, and in today's video we're going to do an unpacking, not so much of an unboxing because, well, there really isn't any box to unbox. So I got this package sent in by this dude called Seran, and I'm just going to use my good old scissors to cut open this envelope here. Oh, he's actually included one more layer of bubble wrap here. Okay, yet more protective wrap here, so really full marks for wrapping up the watch. Thank you very much, dude. And this is the watch that I bought. This is a used watch, and as you can see, this is the Skmei copy of the Casio Royale. Alright, I bought this because I want some parts from this watch, namely the bracelet here. So I want this bracelet to be transplanted on another watch. So I took a plunge and I bought this one because Casio, for the black plastic version of the Casio Royale watches AE1200, it doesn't come with a bracelet, it comes with a resin strap. So I'm trying to do a transplant. Once my AE1200 arrives, I'm going to transplant this bracelet over. And there's also some spare links over here, so I think it's pretty cool. I've got the whole entire length of the bracelet, but I don't think I'll be needing to reinstall these links because I think this is probably sized just about right for my wrist. So now, with all the packaging out of the way, let's take a closer look at the Skmei Royale, because I can't call this one Casio Royale anymore. It is a copy of the Casio watch. Okay, so things can't get lower than this. Okay, the Casio Royale here, I've got, it is not a very expensive watch. I think I got this one for $34 or $35. So I don't know what's the point in copying an ultra affordable watch. This one typically goes for about 16 or 17 Singapore dollars, the Skmei Royale. So like I said, they've got rose gold versions, and they all come in full bracelet configuration. So if you're looking for parts, I heard these bracelets, they actually fit the original Casio seamlessly, right? They're just perfect fit. So I think I want to try doing a transplant on the original AE1200. So first impressions, it is what it is. It's a very cheap watch. There's nothing to talk about in terms of build quality. Alright, the bracelet here is that kind of bracelet, folded links, and it uses a type of a flat link where you push it out using a pin or something, pin pusher. And this one here, I believe it's got very low water resistance. Should be about 30 or 50 meters as compared to the original Casio. Alright, and to be honest, I think the condition of this watch is pretty beat up. Alright, so plenty of scratches, knocks here and there. Yeah, there's also one ding here on the bracelet. So condition is actually worse than the seller described. So it's just a few dollars, so I'm not gonna complain very much about it. And here's a really quick wrist shot of the Skmei Royale on my wrist. My wrist is really small, about 17 centimeters, and I must say this is sized perfectly for me, so no further adjustments needed. So really good. I don't think I'll do a full review of this watch here. There's really no point in doing that. So I might do a comparison between Skmei Royale and the Casio Royale. Alright, so this has become one of my favorite ultra affordable watch here. So for not too much money, you get plenty of fun and happiness. So stay tuned for the transplant video or the comparison video between the Skmei Royale and the Casio Royale. Alright, so see you next week. Bye bye.